Hello, my name's Ran. I'm the creator of SoundMadeSeen. I wanted to quickly show you how to use the design editor in SoundMadeSeen, and in particular, I wanted to showcase just how easy it is to generate AI images to include in your videos. So I'm going to start on the Create Your Design page. So I'm going to enter a name here. That looks pretty good. And then I'm going to choose a size or aspect ratio. In this case, I'm going to go for square. Alrighty, so there's a whole lot of stuff happening here. Just really quickly, this is the design editor. In the middle, we can see the canvas. This is where we'll place all of our design elements. To the left here, we have a zoom tool. We have a move tool down the bottom, so we can zoom or move around into that canvas. This can be useful if we're working on a smaller screen, for example, say a mobile device. And there's a whole bunch of tools down here. I want to go to the image tool right now and then click on the generate tab. Now you can see that there is a input field that I can put a prompt into, and if I can't think of anything right now, I can use this shuffle button to find a random prompt. So let's give this a go. This looks pretty good, so I'll click on the generate button. Alrighty, so it's given us two examples here. If I'm not happy with either of these, I can just click on the start again button. That'll show the prompt input field again. Otherwise, this one looks pretty good, so I'm going to click here. And this will take a couple of moments to upscale the image, so bring it up to the size of our canvas, which is 1080 by 1080 pixels in this case. Alrighty, so we have our upscaled image in the background. I might want to put some text onto this, so I can use the text tool. I'll just edit my text, get rid of this. I can change the font to something that looks a little bit nicer. I can make it bigger, and I'll just move this back into the middle. As you can see, it's still getting a little bit lost in the background, but don't worry, I have a way to fix this. So I'm going to take a shape. I'm going to take my square tool. There we go. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Okie doke. So we can change the border thickness of this. I want to have a nice thick border around this. I'll keep it white. And then I'm going to change the shape color. Let's go with something that is, say, red. And I want to be able to see this beautiful background. So I'm going to change the opacity. I'm going to make it a little bit more transparent. I'll give that a go. Maybe red isn't the right color, so I'll try blue this time. I'll make it even more transparent. And as you can see, that text is behind. So what I can do here is I can just use the down layer tool. So here we go. And now my text is up on top. All right. From here, I'm going to use my waveform tool. So here's a few waveform examples. And I'm just going to put this on. Nice, and resize that so it's around the same size. And you might notice I've got these little guides so I can align it where I want it to be, and it'll look really nice. And then I am finally going to add a subtitle tool. I'm going to move this down. I like that font, so I'm going to choose that. Actually, I might make that a little bit smaller. Alrighty, so I'm pretty happy with this. So all I need to do is click save. And here we go. So I can see it in my list right here. And now it's available to use to make a video. I won't take you through that process right now, but here is an example I created. With SoundMadeSeen, it's super easy to create stunning videos in moments. You can select from our predefined templates or create your own designs with our custom editor. You can even use our inbuilt AI image generator to unleash your creative potential. Give your audio content new life with SoundMadeSeen.